Chicken Malai Handi. Ingredients: chicken 500-gram, tomatoes to medium size, onion 1 medium size, green chili for garlic spoon, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 cup, yogurt 1 cup, malai cream 1 cup, spices: salted chili flakes 1 teaspoon, white pepper 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, Jeera 1 teaspoon, ginger powder 1/2 teaspoon, pinch of food coloring, methi leaves 1 teaspoon. Chicken marination. Add yogurt to 2-3 tablespoons. Ginger powder 1 teaspoon. White pepper 1 teaspoon. Mix it well and marinate it for at least half an hour. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Let this cool down and grind it. Add marinated chicken in same oil and cook till oil separates. Cook it for at least 15 minutes. Add ginger_garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Cook it for 3 minutes. Add onion, tomatoes, and green chili mixture. Mix it well. Add spices. Add yogurt and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Add dry methi leaves and black pepper. Garam masala. Mix it well. Cream 1 cup. Mix it well. Sprinkle dry methi leaves and switch off flame. Ready.